We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make dark chocolate bark. First, using 70% or higher dark chocolate, pour it into a bowl. Heat it in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Not longer, or I promise it will burn. Stir in between until it's nice and creamy. Add nuts, dried fruit, anything you enjoy. Mix it together, and then on a parchment-lined baking sheet, pour the chocolate and spread it evenly. About 1/4 inch, a little thicker, a little thinner, just fine. Add your toppings by sprinkling them evenly on top. And then if you want to use some nut butter, drizzle it on, and then refrigerate it until it's firm. Cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.